Yeah, but you can come along, although you'll have to play the nurse.
It's a living.
So there I was, last night, outside Juliet's balcony. But soft! What light through yonder window breaks?
It is the east, and Juliet is the sun.
Really? You really said that?
Yeah.
You just came up with that on the spot?
Yeah, I studied poetry at Wittenberg.
Yeah, well, Francis Bacon did.
Oh! Sacrilege!
Well, what did she say?
Well, she didn't say anything. She didn't hear me.
So you were talking to yourself. You wasted that line on yourself.
She was lost in thought. I know. See how she rests her cheek upon her hand. Oh, would that I had glove upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.
Yeah, but no glove, no love, am I right?
Hi, me.
Oh, she speaks.
Oh, I heard her.
Like olive oil.
It's still early in the morning, Popeye.
Oh, speak again, bright angel.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo.
Romeo's this Romeo guy. I'll knock his block off.
Oh, sorry, old habits. Hamlet, Hamlet, wherefore art thou Hamlet?
I'm right here.
Wherefore means why, not where, you moron.
The more you know.
Don't deny thy mother and refuse her creepy incestuous advances, and I'll no longer be a Capulet.
Should I hear more? Or should I speak of this?
Is that rhetorical? Or did you say that out loud? Your flashback's confusing me.
Sorry. I'll take thee thy word. Call me but love, and I'll be new baptized. Henceforth, I shall never be Hamlet.
What intruder lurks in my shadows? Guards, help! There's stranger danger!
It's me, Hamlet, your lover boy.
Oh, well, come here, lover boy. My ears have not yet drunk 100 words of that tongue's utterance tonight. But I'd recognize that clone anywhere. Phew! Wait, aren't thou Hamlet and our Prince of Denmark?
Oh, neither, fair saint, if either thee dislike.
Just a clone, lose that.
Actually, I think it's just the stench from Yorick's skull. I don't know, I keep carrying this thing around. There, all better. Anything else?
Are you kidding? Well, what girl doesn't want to say she's dating a prince?
Lisa, and the rest of the cult jam? Electra? Princess Di? Oh. Too soon?
Too late, Nick. By whose direction bounced thou out this place?
It's like looking into a mirror. It's the guy who looks like me, and not that one. It's just creepy, you know? Where was it?
By whose direction bounced thou out this
A
place?
fine fellow down at the pub, Master. Google Street View.
Oh, General Hamlet, if thou dost let me pronounce it faithfully, verbal contracts are binding in Denmark.
In that case, old lady, by yonder blessed moon, I swear that I love thee.
Whoa. You swore your love?
Yeah.
She wasn't kidding, that's a binding contract. You're screwed. Well, at least I hope you're screwed. Tell me you're screwed. I want details.
Oh, well, get out of here, liar. Hush.
Hush! Get out of here! Are you talking to me?
No, I was talking to... Oh, my flashback is going awry.
Going awry? Then where is fancy bread?
Over there on the hearth and not in the head.
Literary puns?
And then I heard a noise from within her chamber. And that's not a euphemism either.
Oh, no, it's me.
There's I coming on. I'm coming.
Yeah, finally, that's what I wanted to hear.
Wilt thou leave me so unsatisfied?
Well, what satisfaction canst thou have?
Please say sex, please say sex, please say sex.
The exchange of thy love's faithful vows for mine.
Oh, man.
Well, I have no joy in this contract tonight. It is too rash.
Is it too rash? Or not too rash?
I told you about my rash.
You've been taking pictures of it.
Well, 1,000 times good night, then.
Good night.
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 Are you doing this?
Feet.
1,000 times.
Good night. Flush.
Are we in Australia? Because you went down counterclockwise. That's known as the Coriolanus effect.
Thank you, Shakespeare's comment.
1,000 times the words to once I like.
Hamlet.
Who's that?
Hamlet.
Who is that?
This is God speaking.
Oh, God's appeared in my flashback.
Yes, my son.
Wow, this must be important. Are you here to tell me that my love for Juliet is justified, or that I should kill my uncle the way my father has directed? Is that why you're here?
No! Stop touching yourself! 4 times a day is excessive.